If you are watching this video and you are not a ghost, then there is 5 liters of blood running in your blood vessels whose total length is 60,000 miles. This red fluid gets a specific color from a cell present known as red blood corpuscles or RBC. Sure, you must have heard of them, but do you know how they live their life? Let us take a look at the life of RBC. The RBC, also called erythrocytes, are the most common type of blood cells. The RBC are produced by a process known as erythropoiesis. RBC is made from a cell known as erythropoietic cells, which are found in bone marrow. Bone marrow works faster than any other factory on earth. In fact, it is so fast that it produces RBC at the rate of 2 million per second in a healthy adult. And this is not even its full speed. The production rate can be further increased by the hormone erythropoietin. At the last stage of development, the immature RBC absorbs iron, vitamin B12 and folic acid. The immature RBC loses their nucleus to make room for hemoglobin. Then it goes into the bloodstream, becoming mature RBC. Their function of delivering oxygen to body tissue is very well known. The lifespan of RBC is 120 days and they work 24/7 without complaining. But if it gets damaged and non-functional, it gets removed before 120 days. As the RBC ages, it has certain changes in its plasma membrane. These changes makes it attractive to macrophages cell of liver. The macrophages cells then break the RBC into iron and green pigment called biliverdin in a process known as eruptosis. Biliverdin is converted into yellow pigment called bilirubin and stored in gallbladder. It is released into digestive system in form of bile juice and helps in digestion. The iron of RBC is sent back to the bone marrow and reused for generation of new cells. But additional dietary iron is needed to support healthy RBC life cycle. That is the biography of RBC. Sure, it's complex, but that complexity is necessary for keeping you alive. Thank you for watching the video. Please like and share. Feeling curious? Ask in the comments.